Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a big bun. So if that's something you'd like to see, stick around. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm going to create a twist at the middle of my head, and that means I have to create to separate my hair. So after I've settled for the portion of hair that I want, I'm going to create a loose twist, as you guys can see me do here. So after creating that center twist, I'm going to go ahead and create the front twist now, and I'm making sure that my hair is completely detangled so that when I create the bun there's not going to be any bumps or hair sticking out. So this is going to be a repetitive process because I'm creating a twist around my hair. So I hope you guys can just watch me do that, and then I'm going to come back and explain to you how to join all the twists together to make a bun. So I'm going to make 6 of the chunky twists, and then I'll now start off with the styling. Now for the styling, first of all you start with the middle twist, and I'm going to tuck it around itself, as you guys can see here. And this twist is actually very important because it's going to be the base of your bun, like it's going to help you with the seamless shape. So make sure that you do not skip doing this, you guys. And then after that I'm going to now take the front and the side twist and then take them over the center or the middle twist, and then I'm tucking them in with a bobby pin. And then later I'll now take the next 2, join them together and tuck them in as well with a bobby pin. And finally I'm taking the last twist and then tucking it in just next to the ones at the back, and then securing that with a bobby pin. Now the next step is to make sure that everything is in place. So if you feel like there's some section that are kind of loose, use a bobby pin to fix and to make sure everything is in place, and then just shape it to your desired shape. And that is the final look, you guys. I'm so impressed with how this came out. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you thought about this hairstyle. And as usual, I'll see you on the next video. So until next time, choose kindness and be safe. Bye.